What's up, YouTube? It's gsxr Matt. Obviously, we're back on the gsxr. Out here in New Jersey, we got a little heat wave. Light amount of salt on the ground, but it's alright. We'll wash the bike after, take care of it. But how to take advantage and get out of here. Man, it's been a while. I probably haven't ridden this bike since, I guess, before Christmas. Unless there was a hot day after Christmas. Also, not salt on the ground then. But it's been cold around here. But we're back. We got some new levers. We got some new shorty levers on the bike. Fresh oil change. Clean and lube the oil chain. I mean, clean and lube the chain. No oil change, just chain. So that's all good. Checked all the fluids, tire pressure. We're good. We're very good. Also tested the levers going very slow before actually riding it. These are actually ride-it levers. Pretty good, got them on Amazon. But the cool thing with them is, well, not the cool thing. For the clutch lever, you do have to take the pin out of the OEM one. The brake one, it was actually perfect size. But there is a switch in the actual lever, like a ball, where you have to switch it or move it so that your front brakes don't lock up. So if you do it yourself, pay attention and don't just go on a rip. Like, walk the bike, listen if the brakes or you know, grinding or anything. So I'm gonna pull over shortly, give you guys a little walk around, because I did wash her. I'm gonna wash her again, because you can't get caught on a dirty bike, you know? Definitely can't get caught slipping on a dirty bike. Still warming up the tires. Believe it or not, guys, whether it's cement or not, going side to side doesn't really warm up your tires as much as like speeding up and slowing down quickly. I think a rock just hit me in the face. Oh fuck, I wanted to go left. I didn't really want to go that way. Kind of sucks. Not getting marked. Yes, sir. I don't know which way I want to go. Damn, this is a terrible road to take. There's so much salt on it. I could have sworn it rained last night. Maybe I just dreamed of it so I could get on the bike. Just let her eat a little bit. I'm definitely gonna have to like wash the fuck out of this bike, because this is a terrible road. Go left. taking my time on turns, considering the roads are a tad salty. tires are probably still cold. Fuck, this isn't the way I wanted to go. I'm folding. It's my time. Oh, hell no. That dog did not like the bike. He was not fucking with the bike at all. Hell no. But if you guys are thinking about getting these shorty levers, I like them. They're good build. They're pretty solid. You gotta be careful on the insulation. Lube your joints. Make sure you use Loctite on your nuts. You'll be good. I did have to tighten these bolts on the actual lever itself, just, you know, for my own peace of mind. Because I'm sure you guys know about all the shitty remarks people have on like aftermarket levers or certain aftermarket levers. I must be going too fast on this shit. I just know it. These roads are fucking trash too. Stay away from all that salt dust and shit. Oh, shoot. Yeah, Suzuki. We're close to the tunnel. Woo! Yeah, she's type of shit that like fucks people up. Ready for this tunnel or what? That was kind of weak sauce. There's too much traffic to be doing shit. Such as a YMCA up here. There's probably a cop that I'm not catching. So we're gonna start the season right without a ticket. Really, bro? You must be illegal, gang. can hear my music if that's just bumping. Oh yeah, he just saw me roll that. Alright, we're chilling. Absolutely chilling. Obviously, don't ride in the salt, but what do you guys wipe your bike down with after going in the salt? Anything specific or a regular bath? Asking for a friend. Oh yeah, these bitches are salty. What's going on? Why is there so much salt? These roads are looking extra ashy. My town and the other town I went to was great. It wasn't that much salt. But this town, oh my god, they're just ripping salt. Yeah, this guy's in my ass. Here. Whoops, sorry lady. Your baby's waking up. She's not really going into this lane, but she definitely didn't see me. She paused and she saw me. You gotta stare at them in the soul and be like, yeah, don't fucking kill me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't forget about you. I'm gonna show you the bike right now. Talk to you. What's up, YouTube? Here she is. Nice and clean. Despite the roads being super salty, there ain't much salt getting on her. See? So we're gonna rub her down still. See? It's not really salty. I'll give her a little wipe. What's up, girl? What's up, girl? Boom, 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 boom. What? What do you want? You annoyed?